Welcome. This is 5 minutes of mindfulness. I am so happy to have you arrive to a place where you want to practice mindfulness, whether you've been practicing mindfulness or meditation regularly, or whether it's new to you. This is all very accessible. And we'll just jump right into it. So you can find a comfortable seat if you're in your home. It could be sitting in your office chair. You could also make a spot on the floor. So I'm sitting on a mat with my legs crossed. And sometimes I like to tuck some padding underneath my hips, like a folded blanket or a block. But again, this is your practice. So find something that makes sense to you. Then close your eyes and settle into following your breath. So today we'll keep it simple. We're just thinking of the breath, watching how it comes in and out through the nose at a nice, slow, and regulated pace. Perhaps you can deepen the breath a little bit. Perhaps you make a slightly audible sound at the throat. And as you sit here and breathe, start to lengthen through the torso. Reach the ears away from the floor and reach the crown of the head up high. And you might lean the head back slightly to situate the head above the heart, and then the heart above your hips. You might find a subtle smile, just turning up the corners of your lips enough to create that Mona Lisa smile. You start to feel tension at the upper lip. Pause. All together, we'll find an exhale. Inhale through the nose for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold breath. Exhale through the nose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold the breath. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold the breath. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Continue breathing in and out at your own slow and regulated pace. And you could find your own count. So maybe you stay with the number 5. Maybe that works really good for you. Perhaps you might want to double that number. Take a few rounds at your own pace here. And as you count, breathe into the front body, breathe in through the side bodies. Notice how you can expand the back body with your breath. And whenever you find your exhale, soften through the shoulders, melt the shoulder blades down. Soften through your side bodies, let the hips feel grounded to the floor. Really begin to feel the roots of your sits bones. And then check in. Do you still have that gentle smile at the face? Can you find softness across the forehead? Have you started to move forward? Can you lean back slightly to hover the heart over the hips and the brain over the heart? Keep breathing. Find your count. And if thoughts cross your mind, which they will, simply invite them to cross without giving them much attention. Always drawing yourself back to that simple count. Find one more exhale here. Bring your hands into heart center. Thank you so much for taking this break with me. You may open your eyes and have a wonderful rest of your day. Namaste.